So guys, today in today's vid, we are going to do some football skills on a trampoline. No. Joy to the world. All right, Harry's shouting wrong. What are we doing then, Harry?
We're just doing a match.
Oh, we're doing a match on the trampoline then, and then after that we'll do some tricks on a trampoline. So hope you enjoy. So guys, as you can see, the trampoline's behind, and we're all ready. So let's go. Guys, 1-0 already to me! Guys, what has happened? It's 6-4 to Harry, and it's first to 10, yeah? Yeah, first to 10, guys, and it's 6-4 to Harry. Oh, better pull this back. Come on! Go. Yes, it's let's go win. No, it's your ball. 9-9. Is it? 9-9, go. 9-9. Yeah, you just 9-9. Go on. No. Oh, guys, Harry won, and oh my days, what has happened to me? Alright, that's it for today, unfortunately. Oh, I'm getting tired. Actually, no, we'll do a bit more. I'll do some skills on the trampoline, and then Harry show you some tricks with the fidget spinners. So let's get into it.